Hello and welcome to Group 218's video podcast on color mixing. Members of Group 218 include Bill Valeka studying show production, and DJ Pinkerton studying show production, and finally Anthony Rush studying show production. Jay Murphy is our instructor. Our experiment will utilize three 26-degree LECO lights, each with separate primary color gels including red, green, and blue. Our first light is primary red, which is projected onto a white surface, followed by primary green. Notice the color yellow is produced when blended. And finally, blue light is added, which completes the additive color wheel. Our eyes utilize three types of receptors to perceive color, each stimulated by frequencies of light. Light with lower frequencies stimulate our eyes and see red. Light with middle frequencies will appear green, and light with higher frequencies will appear blue. When all three lights are blended, our eyes are stimulated equally, seeing white, which is reflected in our results, as white light is produced in the middle. Notice any two colored lights that overlap produce another color sensation. For instance, red and blue combine to produce magenta. Red and green produce yellow, and blue and green produce cyan. By adding various amounts of red, green, and blue, of which our eye receptors are sensitive to, we can produce any color in the spectrum. Therefore, we call them additive primary colors. Magenta, yellow, and cyan are what we call subtractive primary colors. However, the rules of color subtraction differs from the rules of light addition. For example, you remove yellow from white, you get blue. How does color mixing relate to show production? Colored light blending is critical to any live performance. The fact that a color and its complement produce white is an amazing effect. The shadows of each light can even produce the other complement's color, which is really cool when seen live. Here are a few live performance photos to show the intensity of color and its effects on the artist. Lighting and the use of blending additive and subtractive primary colors in show production is a skill that we all hope to gain throughout our education at Full Sail.